Looks like they could use some help.
Yeah.
There's no doubt about it. My son is crazy about fire trucks.
Hey, what's up, Chief?
We've got a fire to put out, Smokey.
Let's roll.
What makes Smokey so unique is how he comes to life and interacts with my son.
Let's put the wet stuff on the red stuff. Quickly. Woohoo! Bullseye.
Yes!
Should I be concerned that our house nearly burns down several times a day?
Mom, when was the last time we tested the family smoke alarms?
Not since a few hours ago.
Heroes never give up. Let's go.
Unlike some toys that say the same thing over and over again and drive me crazy, Smokey's got like 95 phrases and sounds.
That was teamwork.
It's more than my husband says some days.
I think I hear another fire engine.
Smoke-tacular. Let's keep them coming.
One thing's for sure, we're all a lot safer with these two on the job.
Smokey the Talking Fire Truck says over 95 sounds and phrases, only from Matchbox.